we all agreed to meet at 9. But it's 9:24 right now. We're all late. We're always late, actually. We're stuck at the Sunny Inn because they didn't get the tickets. Vienna! We made it! We got here like
About half an hour late.
Yeah, half an hour late. It's wet from the rain. Wait, these are so cute. The cats! It's $1.
We're trying to find the animals now because Jasmine needs to see the animals.
I don't think it's this way. Wait.
We can't say that on camera.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Wait, what penguins?
Hello.
Oh, I don't have food, so he doesn't want to come to me.
Can you take a photo of me with it?
Yeah.
I think it's 0.5.
Of me or it?
It's sleepy. Oh, it's so cute. Look at fringe.
Chickens.
Aww. Baby ducks.
We got chips and a stick. Where's Vienna? Vienna and I have a shift after this. And so
Until 9:30, we're gonna be exhausted.
so technically today we're gonna be at the Easter show from 9 to 9. Literally. So, what ride did you just go on?
I don't know what it's called, but like we went on this one. It's like a giant star, and it lifts you up and it spins, and like the chairs flip, and it's really fun.
Yeah, we've been on a couple rides so far.
We did 3 rides. We went on the roller coaster too.
Yeah,
It was really bad.
yeah. We're like in the pavilion right now, showbag, and we're just
We're waiting for Jasmine and
Nurse and
Ezra.
Jasmine.
Then we're gonna go get food. I think we're gonna go to the Woolly Stone.
Yeah, and then afterwards,
Gonna go on more rides.
yeah, we're thinking of going to the Kiss one, the haunted house, and then we're gonna come back. Vienna and I are gonna come back, and we're gonna do our shift.
Worked until 9:30.
Yeah.
Hi guys, my name is Jasper.
Jasper Jones.
And I have my spaghetti with parmesan.
Can I try? I'm gonna go home with me.
Are you guys buying showbags? I went on the one next to the haunted house.
Scary. You guys hit the board.
No, we're going into the haunted house, and Marissa doesn't want to go in.
Give me it. Give me that. Too late, Lana. Too bloody late. Long enough. Get in. Alright. Hello, my dear. How are you?
They're going in, and they went in and started screaming. So I don't know how it's gonna go for them. I'm very glad I didn't go in. Finished the haunted house.
Ready?
It was good. Jasmine started crying. No, like it was too dark
to be scared.
Yeah, it was too dark. You can't see anything, and like you're only screaming because other people are screaming. So it was alright.
I thought you were gonna like say it in there a little bit longer. I thought you came pretty quickly.
We ran through.
It's a cute photo.
How much is it?
Here you guys,
We left Marissa and Jasmine.
Now we're going back into the Showbag Pavilion to start work, and we're exhausted, and we don't know how we're gonna work another freaking 6 hours. Yay. It's okay. I'm wearing my Barbie shirt today. It's gonna look so cute.
Fun! Okay, well, originally, Vienna and I were meant to meet up on break. We were meant to have... Originally, Vienna and I were meant to meet up on break. But I got sent on break early, and so we're not having break together. So yeah, I'm just sitting alone outside, eating my dinner. Finished.
We just
What's the
finished
time?
work finally. It's 9:32.
Yeah.
9:33.
And we're so tired. Yeah, but our legs were aching.
It was so busy. Today was like the busiest day.
Exactly. Anyway,
I need to go.
time.